Welcome. I hope you have a great day. In this video, we will learn what is database table. My name is Syed. I've been working in information technology for quite some time. I am a published author, and all of those books links will be available in the YouTube description. So what is data? Any information that is stored in any manner can be called a data. For example, information on a paper, picture files, video files, computer files, text messages, phone call log, emails. These are just few examples of a data getting stored on your phone, on your computer, or on a document. So that is data is getting stored. So we are talking about data in the context of a computer and electronic form. So we can classify document information as a data as well, but let's talk about the electronic format. So how data stored on a computer or a phone or online. So we can see that on picture computer file saved on the computer file, picture saved on the phone or a computer as a JPEG, PNG, GIF, video file saved as MP4, and all sorts of different extension, document saved as a document, XLS, PDF file, and more. And so let's talk about how file extension. What is a file extension of an email? And when email is saved, we don't get to see that, but we know that when we get to see that it's a new email, there is a subject line on there and there is the information in there. We can see attachment file, but that file is getting saved on a server and online an email server. How executable file use table. So for example, a paint application on your computer is calling a PNG file. So that is using um, some sort of data which is stored onto the table, and then this extension file is JPEG. So that is calling that file. And how tables are used. So any information is saved in the table, and then this table information getting saved into the file. So that how it get connected into the one file, and it's getting used into the applications, phone application or mobile apps and computer files, so on. So table is a collection of a fields, and when we talk about database is a collection of a tables. Database is a collection of a tables, and field is a collection of field. Table is a collection of fields. So uh, what is field? So field have some properties. We can see this in mind map. There is all the fields have a very similar properties. And this could be, we can see there's a field have field name, short description, technical name. So all of these are properties of a field. So maybe field X have a different field name, field Z have different field name. One field could be a key field. Now what is key field? Key field is a indicator in the table that maybe make a unique field, and that can be connected to the multiple fields, and that's how a multiple table can be connected to the database and can be called data, using key fields to recall data from different tables. So that is a very simple mind map that present that how fields having some different properties. Just take a look at some example. Let's take a look at this in table format. How there is rows and column, and the row we can see there's a header row. First row is header, and we can see there's a header name key field. We made it as a blue, so just identify this is a unique ID number, location. So, and there's a line 1, there's a name, and then there's ID number, and there's a location is coming in there. So that is how data is getting saved in the table. Data is saved in many different format. Maybe there is one example, comma delimited data, where uh, every field have a comma, and then systems know that next field is the next field from the header data. So text, data, and name, date and name or and then there's a text ID, comma, date, and then comma, name. So that is comma delimited data saved on the computer, the system. Some programs use that, some programs use tab delimited. So for example, text ID, tab, date, and there's a tab. So that's it for this video. I hope this helped you in any way, and if you liked any of those videos, please go ahead and subscribe onto the channel, leave a comment, give a thumbs up. Thank you very much.